스탠리 파크는 시내 끝쪽에 있고 바다가 좀 추울 것 같아요. 진짜 가야 되는데 Let's use underwear to I don't know how to feel about this. Underwear?
It's always on the right.
Nice, looks good.
Go through the box. Everything in the section that you can do.
Really? Everything. Okay. 안녕하세요. 오늘은 예정에 없던 브이로그를 한번 찍어보려고 합니다. 밖을 한번 봐보세요. 날씨가 매우 좋습니다. 사실 밴쿠버에서 지금 계속 비가 왔어가지고 이번 주말도 비가 온다고 예정이 돼 있었거든요. 근데 갑자기 지금 이렇게 해가 뜨는 바람에 자전거를 타고 밴쿠버에서 되게 유명한 스탠리 파크에 갈 거예요. 그리고 또 제가 오후 4시 정도에 친구들을 보기로 했는데 친구들이랑 저희 트리프트 샵이라고 중고 마켓이죠. 중고샵인데 뭐 옷부터 가전제품부터 이것저것 다 모여있는 그런 샵이 있어요. 여기 대학생들 사이에서 좀 이런 트리프팅 하는 문화가 되게 좀 많이 퍼진 것 같아요. 그래서 그 문화에 대해서 조금 오늘 좀 배워보고, 또 마침 제가 이제 곧 이사를 가거든요. 그래서 가서 옷도 좀 기부 좀 하려고 이렇게 모아놨습니다. 한 기르면 2시간 정도 걸릴 것 같아서 빨리 지금 움직여야 되거든요. 그래서 커피를 빨리 내려서 커피만 챙기고 한번 가보도록 하겠습니다. 햇살이 너무 좋은데 바람이 좀 차네요. 커피를 아이스로 타왔는데 살짝 후회가 되고 있어요. 따뜻한 걸로 타올걸. 사실 날씨가 좋으니까 사람들이 많이 나와서 이렇게 운동을 하고 있습니다. 시내에 들어가고 있습니다. 스탠리 파크는 시내 끝쪽에 있거든요. 그래서 여기서 한 10분 정도 더 자전거를 타고 들어가야 돼요. 시내 한가운데로 들어왔습니다. 여기서 제가 보니까 한 5분 더 가면 공원이 나올 것 같아요. 짜잔, 공원 입구에 도착을 했습니다. 요트 이렇게 선착장이 있고요. 이 길이 이제 한 1시간 정도 쭉 이어져요. 역시 날씨가 좋아서 사람이 엄청 많네요. 저희 다운타운이 이렇게 보이고 산책로가 이렇게 쭉 있어요. 한 가지 주의하셔야 될 점이 스탠리 파크는 자전거 도로는 일방 통행이에요. 제가 저번에 저희 부모님 잠깐 오셨을 때 처음으로 왔었는데 반대쪽으로 가고 있다가 혼났습니다. 진짜 오늘 너무 잘 나왔다 진짜. 살짝 귀찮아서 집에 있을까 고민도 해봤지만 역시 스탠리 파크는 진짜 무조건 밴쿠버 오시면 노을에 맞춰서 한번 와서 노을 시간에 자전거 타고 쭉 도는 걸 추천드립니다. 걸으면 조금 오래 걸리거든요. 자전거 타면 한 1시간 걸리는 것 같아요. 밴쿠버의 명물, 이 주유소가 또 유명합니다. 제가 항상 여기 놀러오는 사람들한테 원래 주유소가 있었는데 물이 차서 저렇게 보트 주유소로 사용된다라고 유머 아닌 유머를 말해보니까 재미가 없네요. 저는 그렇게 장난을 치는데 보트들이 이렇게 주유를 할 수 있는 주유소입니다. 그리고 저기 또 유명한 거 하나 더 있네. 좀 보여드리겠습니다. 안녕. 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
계속 누군가 와서 아침에 화약도 넣고 해서 딱 저녁 9시에는 탕 열립니다. Allowed for at 9 p.m. daily. 되게 신기하죠? 이제 조금만 이렇게 코너를 돌아왔더니 등대도 보이고 바다가 좀 더 잘 보이죠? 여기를 제가 이제 쭉 돌아갈 거예요. 짠. 아이스로 싸긴 했는데 조금 춥네요. 너무 맛있다 진짜. 지금 한 42분 정도 됐거든요, 집에서 출발한 지. 근데 이 정도 뷰가 나온다? 진짜 어마무시하죠. 방금 비행기가 이륙을 했어요. 이거 랜딩하는 게 되게 재밌어요. 저 다리 뒤쪽으로 가면 진짜 예쁜데 지금 막혀있네요. 아쉽습니다. 돌아가는 길이 다 오르막길이라 죽을 것 같아요. 개 힘드네. 제 자전거에 기회도 하나밖에 없거든요. 뭐야, 거의 다 온 것 같습니다. 힘들어. 공원 안쪽으로 들어가다 보니까 다 언덕이에요. 여기 뷰포인트 하나 있네. 전망대가 있었네요. 여기서 커피 한잔 마시고 가겠습니다. 우에도르를 타고 내려왔더니 여기는 이렇게 이제 해변가가 쫙 있어요. 여기를 시작으로 여기 따라 쭉 이제 계속 해변이 이어집니다. 여름에 여기서 사람들이 많이 와서 수영을 즐기고요. 보시면 여기 야외 수영장도 있어요. 해변가라 그런지 이쪽이 사람이 훨씬 많네요. 저는 사람이 너무 많아서 빨리 가보도록 하겠습니다. 커피만 잠깐 마시고.
저 자리가 좋아. 내가 가볼게.
안녕하세요. 한국말이 들려가지고. 사진 찍어드릴까요?
아니요, 사투리 아줌마 아니세요?
아, 어디서 오셨어요?
한다고요. 어디서 한국 왔죠?
한국 어디서 오셨어요?
아, 부산.
아, 반갑습니다. 여기도 요트들도 엄청 많고. 구름이 진짜 예쁘다. 한국인 어머님들께 인사드리니까 아주 웃음이 예쁘다고 칭찬받았어요. 제가 어머님들한테 좀 인기가 있는 얼굴 상이긴 합니다. 진짜 가야 되는데 뷰가 이러니까 자꾸 멈추게 되네요. 도착을 했습니다. Hey! How are you guys doing? Dude, it's a beautiful day. This is Dinesh, history. So you guys are saying I can donate here, right?
Yeah.
Oh, you just dump it in?
And then you go to them and be like, I just donated
Oh, okay. And then you said you get 20% off?
20% of the voucher.
Okay, sick. So they don't even check the quality of the clothing?
Not really.
A bunch of school stuff. And then this is SFU hoodie, toque, and then SFU sweater. Yeah. So Dinesh, how long have you been thrifting?
About 2 years now since COVID started.
2 years.
Slightly before COVID started.
Okay. So do you do like basically all your clothing shopping
Mostly.
mostly?
Yeah.
That's sick.
About 90%.
Huh. And would you say you saved a lot of money for that, or
90%. I save so much money.
because keyboards and stuff?
Yeah.
Wow.
I don't really look at any appliances because I don't use any.
Yeah. Oh, there's some hockey equipments.
Oh
Nice.
yeah. Always.
Yeah. Is there anything that you're looking for today, sir?
I just take a look because sometimes you find stuff like this. It's like a vintage Wilson ball.
Why do you need a vintage Wilson ball?
It looks cool, man.
I mean, this is something that I'll buy, I feel like. Ooh, there's like camera bags.
Yeah.
Oh wow, it's actually,
It's a good camera bag.
yeah, GoPro is actually really good.
I have the same brand for my camera.
Dude, actually not bad. How much would that be? Let's see.
Like 20 maybe.
Oh,
$8.
what?
That's a
Dude,
cost
this is
of
solid.
Yeah.
If I had a camera, I would have bought it. I don't have a camera at the moment. What's the main reason you thrift? Do you think it's stylish or do you think it's just cheaper?
It's cheaper, it's stylish. I can like rotate my wardrobe more.
Like quickly?
more yeah, because I can
'Cause
come
it's-
back and donate stuff that I don't wear anymore.
Oh, okay.
Pretty often, maybe like 3 or 4 times.
Really?
a
Oh,
year.
wow.
Yeah.
That is a good rotation.
Yeah. And you have new clothes all the time.
Would you say it's pretty difficult to find right size for you when you're looking for clothing?
No, because I think I know my size pretty well now.
Yeah.
So I just look at it and I'm like, that looks like it'll fit.
You don't try it on here, right?
No. Sometimes it doesn't work out.
Right now, like this pants, you said it's thrifted, right?
Yeah, there's a thrifty there.
What about anything else? Not today?
the hat.
Oh, the hat?
Yeah.
The shoes? No?
No, these are new, this is blue.
Okay.
The
Oh.
bag's thrifted.
Oh, that is also thrifted?
Yeah.
Dude, this looks nice.
Oh, it says this on the inside.
Oh,
so
wow.
very
Did you find anything? No. What are you looking for today?
You never know.
Yeah?
Yeah, like if I see something I like, then I grab it and then it's mine. But I
Right.
never know. You never know what's gonna be.
And is this thrifted?
This is thrifted. This is thrifted.
The dress?
This is thrifted.
Really?
This is thrifted. Everything except for my
Shoe-
socks and shoes are thrifted, but that's because these two are gifted.
Okay.
Dinesh gave me these, and I got these as a birthday gift.
Wow.
My earrings are- No, these are for my mom.
Oh,
Okay. What about the mask? Definitely not. Yeah.
But look at these cargo pants I found.
Oh, is that for you?
Yeah.
Nice. Do you think it will fit you?
yeah.
I think so. It might be a little bit big, but I can just take in the waist a little bit.
Yeah. Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Nice. And it's like, well, how much is that? 11?
Look for texture too. Like you can tell this
Yeah.
by looking at clothes if it's like good quality.
Right.
Then you can like
Right.
look at it. Like this looks like really good fleece. But it's really not.
Yeah.
Anyway.
But you're saying, like,
Yeah.
You wouldn't buy anything from like
H&M.
H&M, like cheap brands, because you know it's not gonna last, right?
It's not good quality. Yeah.
I see. The goal today for me is to find potentially a pants.
Pants?
Yeah.
These are the pants. What size do you wear?
Like the
30?
waist?
Yeah.
Around 30, maybe even.
So you're gonna start
Oh,
at the
so like the first rack,
Yeah.
right? Oh, dude, like these pants look
Oh,
nice.
those go hard.
But it's a little tight on the end.
Yeah.
It's like a skinny.
I'm sure you'll find something like this one here.
Ooh.
You know?
Oh, it looks like actually my size.
Like nice climbing pants. If
Yeah.
you're climbing outdoors in the summer.
That's true. Dude, this looks. I like the color for this too.
Yeah. I think it'll fit you. So helps to try from this seam, line it up with this seam on your pants,
Yeah.
and then go all the way to this seam. I think they'll fit you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dude, honestly, this looks pretty decent.
Yeah.
I like the color, and it looks like you can definitely climb in this. 와, 씨, 옷이 장난 아니게 많아요. 사이즈별로 이게 다 정리가 돼 있어서 나름 찾기는 쉽습니다. How often you say you come here?
Just whenever I can, but
Yeah.
usually like once a week.
Once a week. Every time you come here, it's usually like new stuff.
Yeah. They
Wow.
they rotate stuff usually. Oh, you can imagine.
Yeah, let's put it on. Let's put it on.
Sir. No.
This is a maybe, that's enough. What about that green one?
The loose one.
The color is really nice.
I love the color.
Yeah.
That's what I was looking at it.
History. You gotta give me some tips on how to find good stuff as well.
Want to find good stuff? Go through absolutely everything in a section that you think you like.
Really?
And you'll find
Everything.
one thing.
Okay.
Or look for good fabrics.
Uh huh.
Oh yeah, okay, that's
Yeah.
a better tip.
Okay.
That's awesome.
Yeah, what I do is I just look at everything, and if I see a fabric that catches my eye, I touch it. And that way, except for the t-shirts. So the t-shirts, you have to go through every single thing.
Right. Okay. But focus on the fabric.
Yeah, because quality over anything else.
Right. That's what basically Dinesh said too.
Yeah.
Because he's like,
Right, mine's super light.
No.
I don't know. Try the green one.
nice, looks good. The beer company.
There's one more round.
Nice.
It's got a hot dough on it.
I feel like t-shirts, it will be harder to find a good quality
You just have
Fair
to look
enough.
through
everything.
everything.
What print you want to get it, right?
That's true. There's used underwear too. I don't know how I feel about this. I guess they're washed. Nice pajamas.
I'm kidding. I wouldn't buy these anymore.
Would you buy underwear here?
No, dude.
Would you buy underwear here?
It's all this underwear from here.
Wait, how do you know? So what is this?
It's the Gangnam Style.
Yeah,
It says Gangnam Style on the back.
that's so funny. I should get this, eh?
Get it?
No.
It's a cop.
Ready like a
Yeah.
For the shoes.
So we got our stuff. Hey, thank you for taking me, guys.
Same time next week.
Every week it's a thing. 이 바지를 8달러 주고 샀어요. 그러니까 한 한국 돈으로 8,000원? 사이즈가 맞는지 한번 입어볼게요. 약간 너무 타이트한데 이거? 아, 한 개 큰 걸 샀어야 됐나? 오 마이 갓.